Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Mehtab. Have you accidentally deleted your photos or videos? Do not worry, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from your phone easily. First of all, you open the Play Store app and search DiskDigger app. Here you can see DiskDigger. So click on the second app. This app you download on your phone. I am already download this app. Simple open this app. So click on open and here you can see two options, search for lost photos and second option, search for lost videos recovered and photos recovered option available here. So I am recover the photos, so click on here allow option. Here you can see recovering start of photos. You can see here all deleted photos is recovering. So this is the method recovery of photos. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.